Hi everyone, here's KSTYLEYO. Today I'm going to talk about how to convert from statements to questions in Korean. Welcome back. My name is In-young. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel because this is #1 channel of Korean language and culture. Let's get into today's topic, how to convert from statements to questions in Korean. First of all, I'd like to talk about how it works in English. I'm sure most of you who consume my content are English speakers. But if you know how it works in English, that means you have better understanding the difference between English and Korean. That means you will master how it works in Korean. So now let's talk about how to convert statements to questions in English. You reverse. Number one thing that you will do is reversing verb and the subject noun. That means you're going to place the verb in the beginning of the sentence. If it's a be verb, is and are going to be pushed into the first and then the subject noun. You are becomes are you. For regular verbs, depends on the subject noun. Sometimes it's do or does. Okay, now let's talk about how it works in Korean. Do we care about the verb position or do we care about the subject noun? We do not care. All we care about is intonation. For example, you're a student in a casual way. 너는 학생이야. That is the statement. For questions, simply you're going to raise the intonation. 너는 학생이야? Are you a student? 너는 학생이야? Second example, it's hot today. 오늘은 더워요. That's a statement. 오늘은 더워요? Is it hot today? 오늘은 더워요? The third example, let's say there's somebody named 선미. 선미 brought lunch today. 선미는 점심을 가져왔어요. Did 선미 bring lunch today? 선미 런치 가져왔어요? Sometimes we omit subject or object nouns, so you need to understand what it really means based on the context. For example, if I omit I ate food. 밥을 먹었어요. In this case, 밥 is literally rice, but it also implies that it is food. 밥을 먹었어요. I ate food. But if I just say 밥을 먹었어요, by raising intonation, it means you. I'm talking about you. The subject now changes to you. So if I say 밥을 먹었어요, by raising the intonation, it implies that I'm asking you a question. Did you eat food? Another example, I saw the movie. 그 영화를 봤어요. And raise the intonation. 그 영화를 봤어요? Did you watch the movie? So today we talked about the difference between English and Korean. Korean is really simple to convert from statements to questions. We just simply raise intonation at the end of the sentence. Keep in mind that when we omit subject noun, if it's a statement, it's most likely about I, and if it's a question, it's most likely about you. But it could also determine based on the context. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye.